Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you how I achieved this night look for tonight's turn up. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna be taking my Sasha, I already prepped my eyelids. So I'm taking the Sasha Buttercup setting powder just to set my eyes. You know, I'm gonna set it really good because the turn up is probably gonna be extremely real tonight. So I want it to last. And I don't want it to crease. So I'm gonna set this really good. And I need to hurry my ass up because I promise you I gotta be there at 7 and it's already 6. Alright, so pretty much the look that I'm trying to go for is like a dramatic look, but not too dramatic. So I am going to like do some, you guys will see. I'll show you. Alright, so first I'm going to go on with my Morphe palette, the 35R palette. I know it looks ghetto, I'm sorry. And we're going to go with this color here, which is more like a neutral color. So I'm going to go here, we're going to tap that. And then I'm going to go outside the lines here. And I'm going to go on both sides and kind of like, you know, get this together. So we're going to go here. Alright, then I'm going to go on with this same color. I did a video earlier this morning, and these are the two main colors that I use at the beginning. So these are like my go-to colors, that's why they look all ratchet like that. So please don't mind me. Alright, so we're going to go on the crease. Debating if I should show y'all my outfit. I probably am because I'm going to be feeling myself tonight. Alright. So, I am going to go on with the Nubian 2, sorry. And I'm going to go on with the color Cleopatra. Okay, this is when it's going to get intense. So, scared. I'm scared. Alright, so we're gonna go on the outside of the lid and we're gonna work our way in. And this is what's gonna give it, oh shit. This is what's gonna give it that dramatic effect. So, you know what? I always start off not liking what I do, and then towards the end I start liking it. So please trust your process. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with this color here just to kind of brighten it up before I do my whole glitter situation. Then of course I'm gonna go on with like a brown on the crease to kind of like break it up a little bit. So I am going to let this palette on here. I'll put this with me. I don't know what just happened there, guys. I'm so sorry. Alright, so now we're gonna go on with Zuri, which is this one. right. Then I'm gonna go on with this brown right here because my other one's upstairs and I don't feel like going up there right now. So we're gonna take this brown and then I'm gonna just hit the crease with that to kind of like shadow it, or I don't know what's the proper way to say it. So now I'm going to hit y'all with this epic wing that I'll be doing. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and put on my lashes. For some reason, I couldn't get this wing right, but I got it. I've done better, but this will do for now. Okay. By the way, people have been asking me about these lashes. These are from a company on Instagram that I found called Onyx Lux Official. At them, or I mean, not at them, but look for them on Instagram. It's Onyx Lux Official. I believe these eyelashes are called Alexa or Alex, something like that, but their eyelashes are really, really dope. I've been pretty much featuring them on every video. I like them. Shipping was fast, customer service was great, so please look into them. And they have sales all the time. Like, I think I bought like 4 or 5 lashes from them. I need to buy more, actually. So okay, I'm just gonna wipe all this excess off. They just make so much noise in here, it's unreal. Alright, so let me get dressed and I'm going to show you guys the finished look. So this is the finished look and this is the outfit. Thank you guys again for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!